Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Today View and Search on the lock screen on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, put in the screen passcode. Then we scroll down and tap on Today View and Search. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Now you can see here at the moment it is turned on. So when you are on the lock screen, you can swipe across to view more information about today's view and search. You can swipe down to search. And if we switch it off, so I go back into Face ID and passcode, and I swipe up to go down, and then turn off Today View and Search. You can see that on the lock screen, it is now hidden, and I will not be able to view that section when I swipe across to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.